Yo, what's good, guys? It's another phone vid. I'm back at my girlfriend's house. Dino's here. We're fabric wrapping again. We are wrapping the interior trim on his FRS. I don't know if I've shown you guys FRS, but he just got one this year. So you got the pillars. This is that console that everybody wraps carbon. So we decided to be different, wrap it with fabric. Looks pretty dope. We just wrapped everything. I don't need to make these videos because you guys know I already uploaded one, but both pillars, radio trim that goes beside it. Dean's outside wrapping the door handles. What you doing?
So,
We wrapping the door handles. You got one done?
yeah.
It's pretty dope.
Don't show yours.
Whoa! Once Dean gets all that stuff, or the door handles finished up, we're gonna go put it in his car. See what it looks like. It should look sick. See if he's playing with leftover fabric. But yeah. So I'll update you guys when he finishes the door handles, show everything, and then we are going to install it once it dries. Whoa!
Oh, hey.
Install time.
Oh.
Got
Alright guys, we just finished putting the fabric parts in. Yeah. We did the door handles, the center console there, and these two pillars. Looks pretty dope. 10 out of 10. First time.
cold start. Yo, what's up, guys? We are in Niagara Falls. There's a meet tomorrow. This girl's in bed dying, getting turned. Yeah, we're in Niagara Falls. The meet tomorrow. I think I already included some videos from earlier. We did some random fucking. I don't even know what it's called. But tonight we're hitting the haunted house and then the Chino.
No,
we're gonna go lose some money at the Chino.
We're not going to the haunted house.
Tell this fucking girl to
We're
go to
not
the haunted
going
house.
to I watched the
Get the
haunted house.
fuck out of the
The
bed.
haunted house footage. The haunted house footage is not even going to be included.
I'm going right now.
No, we're not. Dude, just hit me fucking between the eyes.
You died more time.
Oh, makes sense.
Get fucked. There.
And the Hunchback. This jittery journey.
Dude, I hit his hole.
Your dog.
Dog water.
Hole in one.
Hole in one.
You hit the Sagandis. We're in the haunted house. Jesus. There's a fucking skunk. See him? Chino bound.
Give me your card.
We at the Chino. We lost the Chino.
I did.
This dude is literally sleeping with his eyes open.
Swipe it away. New all-in-one Garnier micellar water with hyaluronic acid and aloe.
There's no
Work
way.
like a magnet to cleanse, remove makeup.
Alright guys, that's the end of this video. We are in bed and tired. I ended up not losing very much money at the Cheeto after the end. And that is good. She's up a little bit. Dino's down 40. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys at the Niagara meet tomorrow and the toll gate, which is not Niagara.